Good morning. My name is Sanjeev Kumar, and today we are going to shoot a video like how the advanced level of mindfulness practice can help us to get rid of a stress level. The first method is to go for deep, long, relaxed breathing exercise. As we know that stress is a collection of useless and unwanted thought, the more we live into the thought of the past or the future. So the more we go and do the deep breathing exercise by inhaling the maximum amount of the oxygen air inside, what will happen? It will dissolve and mix with the blood, and the more we purify our brain cells with the help of inhaling maximum amount of the oxygen inside, what will happen? It will try to declutter all kinds of the useless and unwanted thought, and it will create a beautiful, awesome thought. Another process to decrease the stress level is to let go of all kinds of the thought of the past or the future. It doesn't matter how beautiful or bad thought it is, whether it is positive thought, negative thought, let go of it completely, and just live into the present moment awareness. Don't hold it back, or don't think either in favor of it or against of it. And the last process to live into the present moment awareness, by let go and disconnect with the thought of the past or the future, just bring your awareness of the breath at the top of the nostril while breathing or while breathe out, because breath is a life force energy. As we know that most of the time the stress is created by somebody else into our life, and therefore we are connected with so much useless and unwanted thought because we are busy with occupied mind. Why? Because we are living into the thought of the past and the future in the form of a struggling and fighting, in the form of chattering and the wandering of the mind. So what we have to do basically, we have to bring the sensation of awareness of the breath at the top of the nostril while breathing, while breathe out, in order to pay attention, slow down and watch out our thought. As I said, we try to react immediately. Just for example, if somebody is creating a thought of anger, thought of frustration, thought of negativity into my life, what basically we do? Immediately we react, and the more stress level comes out. So here what we have to do? We have to create a space or gap between two thoughts, between two words, or between two action, and we can reply them after few seconds or after few minutes, depending on the situation, and we can decrease the stress level as well. Thanks. Have a nice day.